Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a Google Ads account and a clear target before you begin. Once signed in, open Keyword Planner and choose Discover New Keywords. Enter seed terms or a landing page. This gives you raw ideas. Make sure you set location, language, and device filters now so results match your audience. Don't linger on menus. Start with 2 to 5 seed phrases that reflect intent: informational, commercial, or transactional. This establishes the foundation for meaningful volume and relevancy data. Once you have initial results, refine them. Apply filters for date range and hygiene with negative keywords to remove irrelevant terms. Then sort by average monthly searches and competition. Prioritize moderate to high volume with low to medium competition for quick wins. Make sure to glance at top-of-page bid ranges to estimate CPC value if you plan paid campaigns. Group keywords into themed lists by intent and label each list for content, product, or campaign use. This keeps execution organized and actionable. You're almost done. Export your curated keyword lists and deduplicate them. Once exported, assign priority flags and map keywords to pages or campaign types. Cross-check with Google Search Console to validate actual impression and CTR trends, and scan for competitor gaps to uncover overlooked terms. If you get sparse results, widen the date range, add broader seed phrases, or expand geographic targeting, then rerun discovery. Troubleshoot low relevance by tightening negative keywords or switching intent-focused seeds to improve signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.